Hey everyone, welcome back. Ron Geek here. So today I'm going to share an amazing and the free tool for optimizing your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the most important reason for sharing this tool is that many of you ask me to share a safe tool that should be easy to use and give you the best optimization. So I'm pretty sure once you check this tool, you will surely love it and find very easy and best to optimize your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Alright, so I will be sharing this link in the description. You will have to come to this website. Now once you come up here, scroll down, and if you want to read about it, you can of course read it. Then you can come down and it says link to download. So you will have to click this freetimetech.com and the file will be quickly downloaded in a zip file. So click on the downloaded folder here, not on the file. Right click on it and click on extract all. Click on extract, and once it will be extracted, you will find Windows 11 debloater. Again, make a double click on it. Then you will find the Windows 11 debloater file here. Just make a right click on it, click run as admin. Click on yes, and you will be getting this kind of dashboard by the name Windows 11 debloater. Now it's very simple and very easy to use. On the top, you get 3 different categories. Either you can go with the easy debloater, where it gives you all the options here to choose. Then you get the advanced debloater, where you can choose if you want to go for your laptop or your desktop. Then you have the fine-tuning debloater. Alright, so we will check all of them. So let's start with the easy debloater. And here on the top, you find the essential tweak option. And if you click on it, now this is the best part here, that once you click on it on the right hand side, it will show you that what exactly it's going to do, so that you can understand that what exactly you are doing while optimizing your Windows 10 or Windows 11. For example, I clicked on Essential Tweak. Now it's showing me that what exactly this is going to do. It will be disabling the telemetry, Wi-Fi sense, location tracking, storage sense. Now don't worry, the Wi-Fi option is not basically for your normal Wi-Fi. It's the Wi-Fi sense feature that automatically connect to the available network, or it keeps scanning for the available network. Disabling the hibernation, the storage sense, service to manual, the services that are basically not required, it will automatically disable them. Disabling the power throttling, adjusting the visual effect of performance. So these are the tweaks that will be applied, and if you're okay with it, you will have to click on run script here. Okay, once you are done with this thing, if you want to undo it, you can also undo it. Next, you have the disable Cortana. So either you can disable it or you can enable it. You can uninstall the OneDrive or you can reinstall the OneDrive. Windows Update Default, Windows Security Update. Enable the location or enable the hibernation. Disable the Action Center. So if you want to disable it, simply click on it and click on Run Script. Disable the background application. Again, very useful for the Windows 11 user because they don't have the direct option to do it. So click on disable background app and you can see it says disabling the background application access. So you will have to click on run script and all the background application will be disabled. Visual effects for the performance, your phone fix that will be helping to fix it. Hide tray icon. Enable the clipboard history, stopwatch, PDF takeover, dark mode, light mode. You can just manage from here only. Alright, so this you will be getting in the easy debloater. Now let's come to the advanced debloater here. And it gives you some kind of categories. Either you can go with the desktop or you can go with the laptop. Now what is the difference here? If you go with the laptop, you will find it disable the hibernation. But if you go with the laptop, it enable the hibernation because in laptop, most of the user need the hibernation. But still, it's all up to you. If you want to disable, then you can just go ahead and check it. Alright, so I'm on the desktop. So I will select the desktop. Enable the power throttling. No, I don't want to do it. So this is the advanced debloater that will be automatically giving you all the option here. And you can just click on run script and all the work will be applied. Then you have the fine-tuning debloater. Now here it gives you many different options like the third-party apps. So if you want to install any application, so you can install the Brave, you can install the Google Chrome, Chromium, all kind of browser are being available here. You can come to the communication. You can download the communication related application, Microsoft tool, development, utilities, games, everything you will be getting, and you can download each and everything from here only. Now, this can be really useful for the people who have trouble downloading the game from the website or from the Microsoft Store. Then you get other option, Windows apps, another useful feature where you can uninstall the Microsoft Edge, you can uninstall the Cortana, uninstall Get Help. Now, these all are the bloatware that are present inside your computer. Now, I will be optimizing the computer, but first let me explain you. Then you have the privacy. You can disable the direct track service, disable the error reporting, disable the signature info, disable the language list access, disable the advertising ID, Windows tip, personalization. You can manage all the personalization here. OneDrive, you can uninstall the OneDrive. In the system, you can enable the storage sense or you can disable it. So even you get many options that you can easily manage from one single platform, for which I have seen many people struggle. Let's say if you want to disable the storage sense, basically many users, they even don't know how to disable it. But here you can do everything by one click only, whatever you decide to choose. You can even enable the high performance power plan and many more things. Then you have the start menu. UWP application, you can disable the Cortana auto start, team auto start. Gaming mode, you can enable or disable the gaming mode, Defender plus security, another amazing and useful feature. And from here only, you can disable the app smart screen, you can disable the safe zone information, disable the Windows sandbox, or you can enable the local security. Context menu, you can even make a lot of changes here and you can do a lot of modification here. Then you have the other options, search or output. All right, now let me do one thing. Let me show you my current utilization here. So if I bring up the task manager and if I go to the performance, so right now you can see the process count is around 137. The thread is around 1430. The handle count is around 56 or 57,000. All right. So this is what we will be reducing so that there should be less utilization of CPU and even the RAM. And you can see the RAM utilization is very high, around 88%. So now let me close it. And I will start here with the easy debloater. So I will click on essential tweak and I will run the script. And make sure guys that after clicking on run script, you wait for a while because it may take some time to display the output here. And once it will be done, it says operation complete essential tweak. Okay, so I can click on clear. We are done with this part. I can also disable the Cortana. I will click on run script. I can uninstall the OneDrive. So I'm going to fast forward this guy so that I can quickly show you that what is the result after doing all kind of optimization. Okay, and I will be doing the same thing that I explained you, okay? Once you have selected all the tweak here, everything that you have to do it very carefully. Come to the output that is on the very bottom here. And then you have to click on output PowerShell. And everything will be reloaded here that we have to do. And then you can click on run PowerShell. And you will find that the work will be started. It says, do you agree to the all source agreement terms? So you have to press Y key here and hit the enter key again. And now let's wait until all the process has been completed. Alright, so finally the tweak has been completed and it says presented to exit. And it just took about around 1 or 2 minutes maximum. So it will be done very quickly. So now I can press the enter key and the work will be completed. Now I can close it and you can see the changes on my Windows 11. The taskbar has been moved to the left hand side. It looks pretty neat and clean. And if I click on all apps, so you will find only very limited application now. Let me show you. The Copilot is remaining. If I want to disable or remove it, I can again right click on it and click on uninstall. A part of that, you can see only the required application like Media Player, Microsoft Edge, Store. I have not deleted the Edge because I need it. Rest, you can see all the bloatware has been successfully removed here. Now let me go ahead and restart the computer once so that all the changes can be properly applied. Alright, so the computer has been restarted. Now in order to check the performance, I can bring up the task manager and go to the performance. And bingo. So now you can see, guys, the process count that was around 135. Now it's been reduced to only 75. The thread count 1300. The handle count that was around 56,000, I guess. Now it's been reduced to 34,000. Okay, and the utilization, the overall utilization that was around 25, now it's been reduced to 14%. The memory, you can see earlier it was around 88 or 80%, now it's been reduced to 35%. And you will find that it's working much smoother now, much faster without having any kind of problem. And I can access everything. I can access the Wi-Fi, I can access my connection, my internet. The Windows update is working absolutely fine. The privacy and security, the Windows security, everything seems to be working. Alright, so that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully you found this information and this tool very useful for your Windows 10 or 11. And if yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.